Hello guys, welcome to How to Solution. If you want to know how to fix something broke in Battle.net, then this is the right video for you. First, search command prompt on your computer and then select Run as administrator. Then, run the command as shown here. First, type in ipconfig /flushdns and then press enter. Now, type in netsh winsock reset and then press enter. Now you'll see the message successfully reset the winsock catalog and that you'll need to restart your computer. Now type exit and press on enter. Now search view network status on your computer and then open it. Go to your internet connection. Now click on Properties. From here, select Internet Protocol version 4. Then click on Properties. Now select Use the following DNS server addresses. After that, put in on Preferred DNS server, put in 1111 and then on Alternate DNS server, put in 1001. After that, click on OK. Now close everything up and then restart your computer. And it's done. That is it for this video. Please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.